Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, we're going to make an amazing potato salad. That's my mom's recipe. Her name is Shule. She used to make this when we were kids. Every time there were guests over, it's such a great hit. It's very delicious and super simple to make. So what I'm going to need is some 2 cucumbers, and I've grated the cucumbers with their skin on because their skin adds a great flavor as well as crunchiness. So we definitely want the skin on. I've boiled 4 potatoes and I've peeled their skin off. I have 2 cloves of garlic. You can add up to 4 depending on how much you like garlic. I have 2 tablespoons of thick Greek yogurt, Turkish yogurt, but in United States you can find it as Greek yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And if you want to make this a healthy dish, you can substitute the mayo for more Greek yogurt if you want. Although mayo adds a great, I will say, texture and taste. And what else you can use instead of mayo? You can definitely use some sour cream as well. It's not very common here in Turkey, so I make it with mayo. And I'm adding the garlic in here too. Some salt. I'm giving everything a good whisk. And that's it. The sauce is ready. For the potatoes, I'm going to grate them as well, just like I did to the cucumbers. So I'm just grating them. We don't want a puree, so make sure that you don't overcook your potatoes while boiling. We want them nicely grated. And when boiling potatoes, it's always a good idea to add some salt in the water so that they're more tastier. And I usually start with cold water when I'm boiling potatoes. If they're small, then you can put them in boiling water, just like you do with pasta. But if they're quite big, then it's better to start with cold water and heating them all the way up. That's it. And now I'm adding the cucumbers. If there's any cucumber water in the bowl, it's fine. You can get it in here. I'm adding the sauce that we prepared. I'm giving everything another good mix. Make sure that the sauce is evenly distributed. And then I'm going to take this on a plate, serve it with some red pepper flakes. And there you have it. It will be ready. You can serve this right away, or you can let it wait in the fridge for about an hour or 2 so that everything is nice and cold. And for the final part, and this is purely optional, some red pepper flakes. That's quite enough. And now let's give it a taste. My favorite part. Super light, very crunchy because of the cucumbers. Do taste the salt and adjust to your liking. If it's, always make sure you taste it before you serve it. And red pepper flakes, to me, it goes along great with it. But if you don't like it, you can sprinkle some oregano, you can sprinkle some parsley, some fresh coriander. They would all work great. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I share a lot of easy, delicious, wholesome recipes, mostly Turkish, mostly Mediterranean. So if you're into Mediterranean food, do subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!